Welcome to the new Virtana. We deliver the real-time analytics and the wisdom to transform your hybrid IT environments. Today, we will showcase how we optimize virtualized infrastructure to meet the needs of mission-critical workloads by using VirtualWisdom. Let's get started. We're looking at a dashboard built for a VP of infrastructure. Dashboards in VirtualWisdom are very flexible. They are customizable for many different personas, from executives to architects to app owners. And you don't have to know how to write SQL queries to get incredible results. Along the top row of the dashboard, we can see our application health, green, yellow, red, and the level of criticality or tier the application is to the business. Platinum applications are the most critical, and the Electronic Health Records application, EHR, is in an unhealthy state. From the dashboard, we can drill in and see what type of impact the application is experiencing, which in this case is overall latency. From here, we'll drill into Topology to gain some context about where this application lives in our infrastructure. VirtualWisdom automatically discovers and maps what infrastructure is used by which application in real time. Here we see the EHR application is supported by 3 virtual machines, all running on a single hypervisor. All of the virtual machines have active alarms for high CPU utilization, as does the supporting hypervisor. To improve the performance of the EHR application, we'll first investigate the CPU utilization alarm on the underlying hypervisor. Along the way, we'll see one of VirtualWisdom's mini analytics in action. Let's continue by drilling into the alarm. VirtualWisdom groups similar alarms together into cases. On this case page, we can see the CPU utilization increase on the hypervisor. In addition, VirtualWisdom also shows us other applications that might be impacted by the event besides the EHR application, along with their value to the business or their tier. To help us resolve the issue, VirtualWisdom has automatically conducted an investigation to look for a more optimal placement of VMs. VirtualWisdom uses machine learning-based analytics to proactively look for infrastructure issues on the user's behalf and provide actionable recommendations. The investigation has identified a more optimal virtual machine placement across the Prod Platinum cluster. We can see more details about the results by following the link to the VM Coordinator analytic in the investigation. VM Coordinator provides a summary of the results similar to what we saw in the investigation and on the dashboard, but also provides additional details about projected changes in utilization across CPU, memory, network, and disk. If you are familiar with VMware's DRS, this is DRS on steroids. When VirtualWisdom is integrated with ServiceNow, incidents are automatically opened, and incident notes are made based on what VirtualWisdom finds during an investigation. To resolve the issue, a user simply needs to execute the recommended actions using the provided rebalancing script in accordance with their change governance policies. VirtualWisdom even ensures that the moves proposed by VM Coordinator will actually alleviate the impacted host. Taking the recommended actions will move the virtual machine supporting EHR across multiple nodes in the cluster, which will alleviate contention and improve overall application performance. Virtana, the wisdom to transform IT operations.